All right, me and Jay Bird about to go through another powerful ab workout. Let's do it, let's do it.
Are you ready to train?
Abba dabba time.
Ready to push it to the limit? Well, okay.
We're gonna push it to the limit.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's do it. Round one. Pump it. We're gonna work hard, y'all. This is gonna be deadly. Pump it. We already dropped it.
3, 2, 1, break.
All right, next round we're just gonna do a leg lift. We're gonna keep it right here. Just pump it slow the whole round.
3, 2, 1, go.
Just pump it slow, y'all. Feel that burn, it's starting to come. We turning it up. We're gonna turn it up. We just warming up, dog. Woo, this round's too long. All right, just roll over. We're gonna do a plank and just hold it. First.
3, 2, 1, go.
Just hold it. Hold it, Jay. Hold it, y'all. Hold it. Keep them abs tight. Hold it now. Hit it.
Let's go.
That's wheel stuff back here. Hold it tight, y'all. Hold it tight.
Break.
Let it down. All right, the next one we're gonna do plank rocks. Just gonna rock slowly to the beat, side to side. Do the whole round.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, plank side to side. Work. Yeah, Jay's working hard today, y'all. We pumping it, we pumping it. You got cuss at us. Did you push up, buddy? Pump it, pump it.
3, 2, 1, break.
All right, next one we're gonna do Spider-Mans. It's the last round. Just crawl your way through, start with the left leg.
3, 2, 1, go.
Work to it, y'all. Work to it. Feel that burn. Feel that burn.
Get your ass up.
We're working. I know. Let it out, girl. Let it out. Beast mode.
3, 2, 1, break.
Good job, y'all. Nice moderate tempo ab workout. Jay Bird's been working hard really well. One more thing to do and we done for the hour, y'all.